There are things happening now that have not happened in any of our lifetimes. You probably have not been around when a second moon came into our solar system in the orbit of Earth. You probably have not been around when a star within our galaxy has become a supernova. What this is going to do is to create an unprecedented reality. A lot of people are being shaken awake and their frequency is being pushed up, even though they're really comfortable and used to their frequency being down low. And that means that this is the comfort level. Trauma bonding is the comfort level. Complaining, being angry, being frustrated, and pointing the finger at somebody else for that is our comfort level. That's our past. And it's generations of that. We are stepping into the unknown. That means we have to be open to letting our frequency, our vibration, our joy levels, our contentment levels elevate. And for a lot of us, this is unknown territory. I have a few predictions. My number one prediction is that people are no longer going to continue striving to be like their colonizers. It's not going to be about the I, me, look at me, I'm the best, I'm the biggest. That trend is going to go away to me. Like, we are going to be disgusted by that kind of behavior. Another trend that I think is going to come to an end in these unprecedented times is trauma competing. There's going to be more of a joy bonding. There's going to be more of a success bonding, but not success in the old material ways. Success in your emotions. Like, I'm more emotionally stable. I'm more emotionally well. I went and saw my therapist today, and you'll never believe how much better I feel. That's what I mean. I feel like there's going to be more of a bonding around being whole and being healthy versus our trauma bonding. Another trend that I absolutely love, that I see already happening. My God, I have prayed for this. I feel like it's my personal manifestation. Different ethnic groups being so proud of their unique authenticity. People with kinky, thick hair, wearing it kinky, napped up, and afros waving in the wind. Take my heart. I love it. People speaking their original language with other people that speak that language proudly, and then being able to switch, recognizing that you're the dope ones, you speak multiple languages. The old school shame of where you came from and your culture that's not like your colonizer's culture, trend is over, trending up to be proud of where you're from and the history of your culture. Keep wearing the clothing, keep wearing the facial markings, keep wearing the makeup, keep wearing your hair that way, keep speaking that language, keep doing the ancient rituals from your people. My astrologist and sister friend, Chelsea Jewell, and I are going to be discussing this unprecedented reality that's here. The link is also right here. So go ahead and join us, and let's just have a really deep conversation about what I'm receiving in downloads, but also what I'm observing, and I think you're observing too, in our new reality, in our new real life. Peace and light, friends.